how to see your subscribers on YouTube. Hey everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So for that, you may head over to a website instead of the app. You may close the YouTube app and then head over to a website. For example, I have used this one right here. Once you head over the website, go ahead and type in youtube.com, and once you are there, you need to tap on the three dot in your browser and turn on the desktop site. Tap on it to turn on the desktop site. Once the desktop site is turned on, you will be finding YouTube in the interface of your desktop. So all you gotta do from this given interface is you need to zoom out, or you may directly head over to your profile like this one right here. Tap on it, and after tapping on it, a menu appears on your screen. Now from the given menu, head over to the option called YouTube Studio. Tap on it and open up YouTube Studio, studio.youtube.com, logged in with your account. So wait for the page to load up first. Once the page loads up, here you will be directly finding the channel analytics along with the current subscriber. So along with this, in this section right here, like under this YouTube Short Performance tab, you'll be finding subscriber list if the subscription is public. So YouTube has a feature that lets subscription public. If anyone has subscribed to a channel by making their account public, you'll be finding that a subscriber's name right here. Otherwise, you will be finding channel analytics with your current subscriber, the number, and different options available. So for now, you may follow up this method in order to view your subscribers on your YouTube channel. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.